If you've lost access to your 1Password account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, don't worry. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the 1Password sign-in page. Go to the official 1Password website and navigate to the sign-in page. Enter your email address associated with your account to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery procedure. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. Step 3. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SREP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Use your secret key. If prompted, enter your secret key. This key is essential for account recovery and can usually be found in your account setup documents or in your 1Password app if you have it installed on another device. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you've successfully entered your secret key, you'll be able to set a new password for your account. Choose a strong and memorable password, then confirm it to complete the recovery process. Now that you have followed these steps, you should be able to access your 1Password account without your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to 1Password support for further assistance.